Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, with small tips regarding all of the flowers, I will show you the update of the last time videos we have done regarding various flowers. I need to give updates. So here is the update video of all the flowers with just little bit of tips in it. So let's go. First, let us have a grand look. The house number 1, the front house, greenhouse, or the flower house in front of our home. So let's move, get in. You have Pansy blooming out here profusely. You can see lot of Pansy coming out very beautifully. So what are the techniques, or how I was able to make this Pansy bloom so beautifully? Just the small tips. When your first bloom or the second bloom, the blooms are complete, what they do is that this flower invest their energy to make the seeds, or to convert that ovary into fruit, in which they invest a lot of energy, and that energy needs to go to make the flowers. But when you keep the old flowers like this, what happens is that now this is matured one, the petals will go down, and the whole plant will generate energy or invest its energy to convert this ovary present over here into fruit and then into seed. But we all know that the F1 generation, once you take the seed of F1 generation, it next year it becomes F2, and the quality of the flower will not be as good as it is in F1. So what you have to do is that in order to make them bloom like this in lots of flower, you need to remove these old flowers before that turns into the fruit, before it bears fruit. So this will help you to bloom the plants profusely. I said don't keep these old flowers. Once gone, you just pluck it out. So in this way, see the amount of bloom. Yes, isn't it beautiful? So this is the way to make your Pansy bloom all the way like this. If you don't do that, if you don't take out the old mature flower, then your plant will end up blooming 2 or 3 at a time, not like this. So if you want to make your plant bloom, give 10 to 15 to 20 flowers in a single time, then you need to follow what I just instructed. Take out the mature blooms, don't let it convert into fruit, and conserve the energy of the plant to finally give more flowers. That's a tip for you all. Down here I have, this is calendula coming up nicely. Now moving on to the next part, we have dahlias coming up nicely. You can just see the height of the plant. It's not even 6 inches, and the size of bud is something amazing. Amazing plants are there. Here I have Silo Crustata var alba from. Here I have more dahlias. Just see the health. Oh my God. Just amazing. Just see the leaves on this beautiful plant. They are coming with tiny bud, which will later convert into very big flowers. And this is one of a kind. Very, very beautiful. So as I already told you, this video will not feature any special plant, but rather show all the collection of our plants, whatever is in there. Not show the update about the geraniums. It's coming beautifully. Last time it was covered with yellow leaves, a lot of non-flowering spikes. Now it has started giving up green leaves, and hopefully they will flower within a month. And here I bit about the rose. This year I have got beautiful plants of rose. Beautiful plants of rose. And here are my climbing rose. Not after its great form, but slowly when the plants mature, it will give a bloom as it is known for. So all of them are coming up nicely, all the roses. This is by far the best plant I have ever cut of rose in our nursery. Beautiful. And here I have brought to the miniature rose. I think more than 30-35 bloom buds are there. Here is another one with same. I will later update. Now here I have Rex Pogania, which I have updated here in my last video. They have also started giving up flowers. See the amount of flowers it gives. Not up to, still a very long way to go. And here are my goddesses. See those plants. Just see those plants. Very big, without any kind of pinching. I have 3 colors blooming up. They have just started. This one is light pink, pure white, and here I can see it is purple, and there was red. Here the mother plant of fuchsias, as shown in the last video. I pruned it and kept cuttings from it. Now you can see new branches coming up and some blooms too. So this was about my fuchsias. Here I go with Primula obconica, some iris, and Similia Marcus. So all of these are in our first row, first greenhouse, and here is my ivy geranium. I don't know the idea of this. It's very beautiful. And here are my ice plants, which will bloom as soon as the sun rises up. So bad, the spring has arrived well, and all of them are doing profusely with everything from Cineraria to Calancho to Bodecia to Dahlia to everything. And not only that, but we have a Magnolia lily flora blooming over here also.